Hello, hello. The speed in which the new AI development tools are being released these days is amazing. I would like to try with you a brand new one called Windsurf and add some pictures to our adventure planner. So let's do it together. A couple of days ago, Windsurf has been released, and it's an AI-based development tool that will make you again faster, smarter in your development. So I would like to try it for our adventure planner. This is what we have built so far. So it's a search with a couple of pictures already, and let's try to build up the service for Pixabay pictures together with Windsurf. So let's open it. Basically, I have installed it from the website that I will put the link below. And it works exactly like Visual Studio Code, plus it has these AI features like a cascade that's running Claude or GPT-4, depends on what you prefer. And you can write it any prompt you like. So let's say, build a service with Pixabay to get pictures of the activities. Let's see what it will create for us. Okay, so it's similarly like ChatGPT writing us or Bolt New writing us what it's creating. The difference is that it's creating directly in our project. So we can basically already work with it without any other change. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so of course it needs a key, and here is, yeah, it's getting a picture for us, and yes, this could actually work, and it's even making a possibility if it doesn't find a picture, then it will give us some default version of a JPEG. However, it seems to have an error. Let's see. It's not finished yet, that's why. But let's see. So what kind of changes did it do? It has changed, or it has created a Pixabay service. Let's accept all changes. That looks pretty good already. So it has a Pixabay service that is retrieving for us the pictures. So we need to use Pixabay to get our pictures. Pixabay is a wonderful service that for each term you can get a free picture for your website, but to use it you will need an API. So let's go to Pixabay.com service about API. Let's click on get started and scroll down, and you can see here normally would stand our API key, but for that we need to sign up or log in. After the login, we are finally able to see our API key. So please copy paste it, and of course I will delete this one because it's something that I shared with you right now. You should do the same if you are sharing any API key with somebody else. And let's use it now in our application. We are looking back at what Windsurf has created for us, and there is already something that I don't like at all. So for example, it removed all these new versions of inputs and replaced it with the old versions of inputs. This is something we definitely don't want to do. So let's copy paste our own code, copy change lines. Yes, let's paste it. I suggested something else, but this is exactly what we want. And the rest looks actually nice, apart from the apart from the parts where we used signals. So yeah, and it doesn't recognize input, so we need to import it again. And we actually don't want to use the old version of the export class, but use the new one, because here it's using onInit that we will need. And here, because it got rid of everything that was signal related, we need to add the bracket. And the last thing that needs correction is, again, here we have a signal, Plus, it's telling us that we cannot get undefined value. So let's say it needs to be there. This is basically to say it needs to be there. And the rest of the code actually looks pretty good, I would say. So we accepted this, we accepted this. Here it also, here it doesn't work again because it removed the signal. And yeah, here it looks good. So let's save it and see if we produce a working application with a Pixabay integration. Yeah, it looks like that. So let's go to our adventure planner. Let's refresh just in case and write London. And unfortunately, it still has the old image. To start using the service for the pictures, we need to remove the default image. Otherwise, it will not try to reach the service at all. And here, when there is no such image, it will basically reach out to Pixabay service and get it. And of course, the problem was really, really simple. We have forgotten to replace our API key that we have got from Pixabay service. And now let's try how it will look. So, London. Wonderful. Now we can see the pictures of the actual sites. This is the Tower of London. This is the London Eye. This is the Buckingham Palace. British Museum. Of course, some of them are not that expressive. So, for example, this is not a West End show, but this could be a walk in Hyde Park. But most of it are really the ones that we would like to see. And it's all thanks to Pixabay, and it's all thanks to our new friend called Windsurf. With the help of our new friend windsurf, we have created a Pixabay service that gets us the images for all the activities that we want to show to our users. I liked the process very much. It was really speeding us up, even though it had some small errors, like it removed the signals from our components and we needed to edit it a little bit. So of course, using AI tools has some problems and you need to pay attention and not to get away with the flow. But still, I liked it very much, how it speeded us up and how we could enjoy our journey together. Let's keep on the good work and see you in the next video. Bye bye.